Hey everyone, Mike from Action Car and Truck Accessories. Back today doing another video. Today we're going to be doing it on the Rhino-Rack Vortex Crossbar kits. We're going to be doing an unboxing of it, and we're also going to be doing installation on this Subaru Outback Wilderness. Let's get to the unboxing of it. Okay, so this is what you're going to get in the kit. You're going to get your two crossbars, and you're going to get your feet kit. Okay, so now that we have our crossbars taken out of the box, we're going to do the leg kit box and see what we have in here. So the first thing you're going to see is the instructions. So let's get these out of the way. You're also going to get your warranty registration card. This comes with a 5-year warranty. You're going to get your tool for tightening, and you're going to get your 4 different feet. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is take this end cap off. We're going to take out our locking key, get it out, and now we're going to shake this to get the rubber piece, all these rubber pieces out. Okay, so the next step we're going to do is you're going to get 4 of these little rubber strips. They go on the top channel all across here. Okay, so for this last little piece of strip, you're going to want to use the shortest rubber strip that comes with it, and then you're going to cut it to fit. Just like that. And then you're going to repeat the same steps for that for the second crossbar. Okay, so the next step is to install the feet onto the crossbars. Okay, so now that we have the feet on, it's time to assemble these onto the rails, onto the vehicle. One thing to note is this rubber gasket on each of these feet, make sure it's flared out like this and not curled under when you're installing these. Okay, so the next thing, you're going to want to make sure that these bars are centered on each side. We found the easiest way was with these measuring tools that came with the rack itself, just to take them, insert them in here, get this in, and then make sure the number is the same on both sides, just to kind of get it snugged up there and make sure it's the same. Okay, so now that we have this, both sides of this centered, we're going to take this strip out, or the measuring device, and we're going to cut it at the number that we found was the best at, and then put it back in, and then put the cap back on. Okay, so this is a tool that comes with the crossbars. This is going to be basically your torque tool. It's curved like that. When you're turning it and you're getting close to the right torque spec, it's going to straighten out. Okay, so as you can see, it's still curved, but as we get a little tighter, it is going to start straightening out a little bit more. Just like that. So the next step is we're going to put the caps back in place and lock them. There we go, just like that. All right, so just a quick note on these crossbars. They have a weight rating of 220 pounds. So That means you're going to be able to put lots of stuff up on these. Also, you're going to have to check what your rating is for your rails themselves, but these crossbars will do 220 pounds. You're going to be able to put cargo boxes, tents, anything you can think of to put up on here. Okay, so that's going to do it for today's video on the Rhino-Rack Vortex crossbars. If you have any questions on this product, you can either drop us a comment or you can give us a call at any of our action stores across Canada. And I just want to say thanks for watching.